Air transportation connects the world. A very compelling statement used in the industry tells us that we become more connected every time that an aircraft takes off or lands. Besides, the aviation industry supports over 10 million direct jobs across the globe, around 65 million if we include the jobs supported through the air transportation supply chain. The 2020 COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the entire chain of our beloved aviation as well as the aerospace industry. Governments across the globe have had to implement travel restrictions to mitigate the spread of the virus. So many airlines have temporarily halted their entire fleets, and many major carriers have canceled nearly 90% of scheduled passenger flights. As such, we are seeing odd and even melancholic images of fleets grounded everywhere. The crisis has economic and health effects on this beloved industry. Now, let me focus for a moment on air cargo specifically. Air cargo is a critical enabler of the global economy and has been a crucial connecting factor during the COVID-19 pandemic. Air cargo supports many aspects of modern life. The pharmaceutical industry, for instance, relies on the speed and efficiency of air transport in moving high-value, time and temperature-sensitive cargo, particularly vaccines. Now, here is an exciting fact. Moving live animals by air is considered the most humane and expedient method of transportation over long distances. Air cargo is the fastest mode of transportation and has been playing a crucial role during the pandemic in satisfying medical needs. Now, many people typically associate air cargo with large air freight companies such as DHL, FedEx, and UPS, operating dedicated freight aircraft. During the pandemic, these companies have increased the number of flights by redeploying stored aircraft to deliver much needed medical equipment. FedEx, for instance, participates in a public-private partnership managed by the federal government called Project Airbridge. This partnership provides expedited shipment of personal protective equipment and other crucial medical supplies. However, here is a little curiosity unknown to many people. About 50% of the world's cargo flies in the cargo hold of passenger airplanes, that is, in the belly of the aircraft, below our feet. And because of that position, we refer to it as belly capacity. Now, the sharp reduction in passenger flights during the pandemic also decreased the belly cargo capacity substantially. Transatlantic trade lanes rely heavily on cargo capacity of passenger airplanes. The good news here is that many global airlines have decided to make the shift to cargo-only flights using passenger planes during the crisis. So they are carrying cargo in the aircraft main cabin, either over or under empty seats in overhead bins or by removing seats altogether. Many US airlines have started cargo-only flights to various regions across the world that have substantial pharmaceutical industry. Of course, there are restrictions and guidelines on how to exceptionally transport cargo in the main cabin of passenger aircrafts. Cargo-only flights across some intercontinental network have outnumbered passenger services during the pandemic. They are transporting vital medical and trade cargo. So, to conclude, air cargo plays a crucial role in modern society and is playing a decisive role in the fight against the virus. Aviation and air cargo is such a fascinating and exciting industry.